Hi everyone, I'm Atil. I teach more than 250,000 students online and offline on cybersecurity and mobile application development. I also teach mobile application development in Boğaziçi University in Istanbul, Turkey. And also I co-founded and I'm currently the CEO of the Collective Academy, which is an education startup here in Turkey. Today, along with the Code Stars, we bring you the complete Pentesting and Privilege Escalation course. So let me start by saying that you have to have basic understanding of cybersecurity and you have to have Python programming language experience a little bit in order to understand this course. Within this course, we're going to focus on gaining access and privilege escalation steps of the hacker methodology. So, if you have taken the complete ethical hacking course from us or any other equivalent course online or offline, then you're suitable for this course. If you're already in cybersecurity area and if you're looking forward to get a certification such as OSCP, then again, this is the right course for you because this will help you a lot during the process. We're gonna solve a lot of vulnerable machines, a lot of capture the flag challenges during this course. This will be all hands-on experience. We're gonna work with OneHub, we're gonna work with Try Hack Me and also Hack the Box as well. We're not only going to see Linux machines, but we're going to learn about Windows machines in gaining access and also privilege escalation side as well. Now, if you're ready, let's get started.